हेलो गाइस, आई एम रुचिर एंड चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वेब सीरीज़ रिव्यू। तो आज मैं लाया हूँ एक साउथ कोरियन वेब सीरीज़ का रिव्यू एंड द साउथ कोरियन वेब सीरीज़ नेम इज़ किंगडम। So I completed season 1 of Kingdom, which is a combination of two different genres. One is period drama and the second one is zombie horror. You may be aware of many movies based on zombies are getting released from Korean film industry. The major one is Train to Busan, which was one of the best movies I can consider or everyone should consider in the zombie horror genre. Now, Kingdom is a combination of a period drama and zombie horror. The season 1 I have watched. It already have season 2 also available on Netflix. This is Netflix original series. But the season 1 I have watched, which is comprised of 6 episodes. Each episode is around 55 minutes long. What it have in store for you? The period drama is having the same kind of story which you have seen in other regions as well, like in India or other regions, like you have seen Game of Thrones. So the background is of the story is like this: the queen is there, the king is ill, queen is pregnant, she wants her unborn son to become the next king, but there is already an illegitimate son of the king, who is supposed to become the king, but the queen does not want that particular person to become the king after the death of the original king. So all the things are revolved around that particular story as a period drama here. So obviously our illegitimate son, the kind of Jon Snow character here, which is the name is Lee Chang, is a good guy, but is not getting that much attention or is facing the threat from the queen and all the you can say the guards of the king. He was not able to meet the king. He does not know whether his father is ill or dead or alive. So everyone is pouncing on him, and then a strange thing occurs, and he has to go along with his personal bodyguard to a south village in Korean province, and he faced an unknown disease, which basically means a zombie apocalypse, or you can say this is related to the zombie thing, wherein everyone is getting affected. Whoever is they bite, they become zombies. Now he has not only to face his own enemies from the palace, from the king's side, but he also has to uh, beat this zombie disease and save the all the men from his country, all the people of his country. So will he be able to do this, and will he be able to achieve his aim to save the whole kingdom and become the prince, from the prince to the king? So this is the basic background of the story. Okay, acting wise, if I say, he has done a good job. I will print out the names of all the actors who played the main characters, but especially I like the acting of the personal bodyguard of him. He did a very phenomenal job. He looked a proper guy who is kind of comic, but always stand the side of him and always try to protect him. And there are certain more characters which played good, like one fighter which they got during facing this zombie threat, and one nurse who also knows or also side with his party to save the villagers and all the people. So this is a nice zombie period drama, and I suggest you to watch it in Korean language. Don't go for the dubbed version, because English dubbed version, the voices are not matching with the actual character. I compared it. It was not as good as the original version. You can use the English subtitles to understand this, and my recommendation is you should watch this season 1. My rating is 3.5 on 5, and I hope you all will also like this zombie series. If you like it, or whatever your comments are, just let me know in the comment section below, and let me continue to season 2. I will bring the season 2 review soon. Thank you.